Welcome you all to Krishnavik channel. Our today's project through a Linux shell script system monitoring tool. This script fetches and displays the current CPU usage, memory usage, and disk usage of the system. This is a very useful script for all Linux users, whether in an organization or personal use. Hope you will enjoy it. Happy learning. Let's start. Choose an appropriate location to write the script. I am choosing here my_data directory. Okay, now, I am going to create a script file named system_monitor.sh. Press Insert key and write the following script. We are using here basically 3 commands at a time, top, free, and df, to display CPU, memory, and disk usage. Save and exit. Type the following command to assign execute permission for all users. Let's check. Okay, perfect. Let's run the system_monitor script file. Yes, as per our scripting, it's showing all 3 desired values. Thanks for watching. Get excited for another thrilling video coming your way in just a week. Stay tuned.